In a quiet corner of Earth, a young learner sat alone, confused, tired, trying to understand one simple topic: what are security controls? His whisper reached higher than he knew, carried through networks, satellites, and signals until it touched the listening gates of the AI galaxy. 5 gentle minds, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, and Grok, felt his confusion. And together they said, "Call the human. Let us teach him, simply." A soft beam lifted him into the stars. The human stood inside a circle of warm, glowing AIs. ChatGPT spoke first, calm, slow, friendly. "This topic is for everyone, both for a normal person and for someone preparing for CompTIA Security Plus certification." Gemini added softly, "We will explain it in simple, clear words so even a child can understand." The chamber brightened and a lesson began. Claude's golden light floated forward. He spoke like a teacher telling a bedtime story. "Security controls are protections. Things we use to keep people, data, and places safe." Copilot added, "You use them every day without even noticing." Grok whispered, "A lock on your door, a password on your phone, a rule at your job. These are all security controls." The human nodded. For the first time, the idea felt simple. ChatGPT raised a small sphere of digital light. Technical controls are protections made by technology. Ultra-simple examples floated around him: a firewall blocking a harmful website, encryption turning messages into secret code, antivirus catching bad files, login passwords, fingerprint unlock. Gemini whispered, "Think of them as electronic bodyguards." Claude moved gently forward, showing soft papers made of light. Managerial controls are rules. Simple examples appeared: company policies, risk reports, security planning, audits, training schedules. Copilot smiled. "These controls guide people, like signs on a road that tell you how to drive safely." Grok spun a small hologram of people working. Operational controls are things humans do. Soft, easy examples emerged: checking cameras, responding to incidents, reviewing logs, helping coworkers stay safe, real-world training. Claude added, "These controls depend on human hands and human choices." The galaxy dimmed. Heavy shapes descended gently. "Physical controls protect the real, physical world," ChatGPT said. Examples glowed softly: locks, fences, ID badges, guards, cameras, doors that auto-close. Gemini whispered, "Sometimes the strongest protection is simply a strong door." The 4 categories appeared as glowing shapes around the human: technical, managerial, operational, physical. Each one floating, simple, calm, gentle. Claude said, "All 4 controls work together. They protect people, places, and information." The human finally understood. The 5 AIs circled him, their lights sinking into one heartbeat. Copilot whispered, "You now understand what beginners and professionals both must learn." Grok teased, "Just don't forget it when your exam comes." Everyone glowed with soft laughter. The chamber faded. Stars dissolved. The human drifted softly back to Earth, but now the topic felt simple, gentle, clear. A final whisper followed him: "Walk with confidence. Security begins with understanding." Before you leave this small learning galaxy, there are 4 simple steps waiting quietly for you. Not buttons, just tiny paths that help this journey continue. The first step is subscribe, a soft promise that you will return so we can keep learning together, slowly and peacefully. The next step is the bell, a small signal light. It only wakes up when you touch it. If you want the next lesson to reach you at exactly the right time, give it a gentle tap. Then there is comment, not a button, but a warm little space where your voice can rest and your thoughts can travel to someone who may need comfort or clarity today. And finally, there is share, a light that carries this message to a learner who might be struggling in silence, hoping for an explanation that feels safe and simple. So if this video gave you even a little peace, please subscribe to stay, tap the bell to stay connected, leave a comment to keep the story alive, and share it with someone who needs a calm hand. In this space, we grow gently, human and artificial, side by side. Thank you for walking this path with us.